Sa mga nagtatanong na paano ba bumilis yung kamay sa pagta-type or paano mo ma-hit yung 40 words per minute pala. Well, madali lang yan. All you have to do is practice. Maraming site na pwede kang puntahan para mag-practice. And I strongly suggest start ka sa typingtest.com. I'll probably link it below. And all you have to do kung may PC ka, may computer, laptop, lagay mo lang yung mga daliri mo dun sa keyboard, pagtiyagaan mo. Tapos may mga words na lalabas dun sa typing test. And all you have to do is type them. Kahit mabagal ka, okay lang yon. You just have to start somewhere. Practice, practice, practice. I'm a sole believer ng practice and you also have to do it.